I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your phone number from Telus to Koodo, follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Gather your information. Before changing your settings, use the s.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Choose a Koodo plan. Visit the Koodo website or a local store to select a plan that suits your needs. Make sure to check if your desired plan supports number porting. Step 3. Start the porting process. Once you have your Koodo plan, initiate the porting process either online or in store. Provide the required information from Step 1. Step 4. Confirm your porting request. You will receive a confirmation email or message from Koodo. Make sure to verify all details are correct. If you notice any discrepancies, contact Koodo support immediately. Step 5. Wait for the porting to complete. The porting process can take a few hours to a couple of days. Keep your Telus SIM card in your phone until the port is complete to avoid any service interruptions. Switching your number can feel daunting, but following these steps will help you transition smoothly. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Koodo's customer service for assistance. Happy switching!